Today's little adventure, I'm going to do some stealth camping. We're on the Great River Road, the secret location. As you can see, the highway is quite busy. Right up against the Mississippi River. Some people come back here and go fishing, so I should kind of just blend in pretty good. There are a lot of people watching over at this park though, and I don't really like the idea of people knowing I'm over here. Looks like as good a time as any, so here we go. It's getting pretty dark. It's probably around 7 o'clock. It's right at fall time, so it's pretty cool out. I've only been over here once before. I came, did a little explorer mission, see what I'm getting myself into. It seems like a pretty good spot. It's probably going to be noisy with traffic and barges. So here we are. Mississippi River. Alright, so it's getting pretty dark, so I need to just instantly start getting some the tent set up. And man, you know, I can tell there's some houses up there on top of the bluffs. I hope they can't see me. I think I'm going to be tucked away in the woods enough. Found a little bit of a clearing over here earlier. There we go. This is it. Seems like a fairly good spot. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of a pond right over here. Alright, let's go ahead and get the tent set up. And I don't have a very tall tripod today, so bear with me, you're going to be on the ground a lot. Alright, I got my got a cot set up and my blanket or my sleeping bag, and I keep hearing something. I don't know what. I kind of think someone's out here with me. Definitely something out here. As you can tell, I'm like right next to a very, very busy road. There's really not that much woods here. And I really doubt there's any big animals here. I just kind of know the area. It's just right next to the river and right next to the river road. I definitely hear people. No doubt about it. I don't know where their voice is coming from though. I can definitely hear people though. Come back into my little hut. Just chill out for a minute, I guess. starting to get a little late, and I'm starting to get a little bit hungry. I don't know if you can see me. I got one little light on. Got my little camp stove, and we're just going to try to make something up, I guess. I don't know how well you can see me, but it's got some normal rice-a-roni or cheese flavor. Open that bad boy up. We're just making an easy dinner tonight. Put that bad boy in there. Oh yeah, it's hot. Definitely hot. We're gonna give it a little stir. I still hear people out here. There's definitely something over there. Obviously, I'm not very stealth anymore. I got a dang light up right in front of my tent, so I don't think I'm very stealthy at this point. There is definitely something in these woods with me. Kind of see headlights going through the woods. It's not easy to get back to where I'm at, so I don't know. I'll check back in here in a minute. Yeah, so it's definitely quiet up back here. Go ahead and eat these noodles, or actually it's just rice. I don't know if you guys have ever had this. It's the perfect little hiking camping meal. Some cheesy rice when it's nice and chilly out. Pretty dark. I don't know how well you guys can see me. It's still noisy. It's probably close to 9 o'clock at night. Chili rice is good. It's not done. Crunchy rice. Let's take a little walk out of here. Maybe if I make noise, whoever's out here will run off or show themselves or something. I don't know. I hear stuff out here, and I just can't. I don't want to believe that there's a big animal out here. So I'm gonna walk over here where I think everybody's fishing. Oh man, you see them cans? It's a bunch of beer cans. I thought it was little eyes. You see that? I thought it was little eyes in the woods. It scared the shit out of me. I thought I was getting ready to get attacked by a bunch of raccoons. There's the water. Can't really see much, can you? We're looking at the river. That is the moon. It's dark, and even my light doesn't really help. See it out there? Yeah. Really can't see anything, can we? I thought we would be able to. I thought for sure. Oh, you know what? Can you see that house up there? I didn't think about that. They got a really good view. I can see in. They have to be able to see out here, right? Crap. Well, just need to keep the light out. It's not illegal to be out here and fish. I didn't bring a fishing pole, but I imagine they frown upon people camping. Really wish you could see the water better. I don't know how well this comes up in video. Let's see all the stars. There's this house right up on the bluff, and I'm quite confident they can see me. Let me get up out here. I Keep the light low. I'm just like wandering in the woods. This is crazy. This is definitely something I don't do on an everyday basis. Wandering in some woods that I've never been in before. This is just insane. Can you see the barge out here? Basically shining his light right on us. I mean, I don't think he could see me out here. Very weird that he's just steadily pointing right in this direction. He's got the whole area lit up. Can you see me like this? Got the whole spot. He might be pointing right at me, I don't know. The whole woods are lit up. I do think it's about time for me to head to bed though. I think it's probably close to about 10, and I'd rather just sleep this off. It's pretty nerve-wracking back here. So I'll get to you guys when we wake up and get some coffee going. Alright, good morning. Let's get out of here today. Slept like crap last night, so I brought a cot with me. And I didn't bring any kind of underquilt or anything. And I just lost all my heat underneath that cot. It was a pretty chilly night. But still worth it to wake up to views like this. Look at this. This is the Mississippi River, in case no one heard me. Look at this sunrise. I mean. Alright, what a fun adventure. I was a little cold. Like I said, I had a cot with no underquilt or anything, you know, and I had ordered a new sleeping pad. It was supposed to be delivered yesterday, and of course it gets delivered to my house about the exact time I get out in the woods, so pretty cold night. I'm good. But there's our view. Look at that. Probably have the worst tasting instant coffee I've ever experienced. I think I missed my turn. So this is where we are. This is River Road. That's a little stretch of woods I was in. I camped right about there under those big trees. You know, and as soon as you wake up and you come into reality, man, it really hits. I'm tired. I got a heck of a walk ahead of me. So I'll see you guys next time.